Welcome back, friends. In today's video, we will be giving you a big surprise. We will be installing Opensuse Linux operating system with Pantheon Desktop. Yes, Pantheon Desktop. Pantheon Desktop is the flagship desktop of Elementary OS. It is available in Opensuse also. Very few know about this. It is not reviewed much. I think we are the first Linux channel in the world to premiere the Opensuse Linux OS with Pantheon Desktop. So let us start the installation. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the Pantheon Desktop in Opensuse. So let us start. I have already downloaded the Opensuse Leap Pantheon ISO. So both Leap and Tumbleweed versions of the Pantheon Desktop Opensuse ISO is available. So let us start. Open it with boxes. Click on next. You can customize and increase the RAM size to 4 GB. 21.7 GB of VDD is okay because the size of this ISO is just 651.3 MB, so it is very light. So 21.5 GB of VDD will be okay. So we will now boot into the live desktop, Pantheon Desktop. This ISO is based on Opensuse Leap 15.3. 15.4 is going to be released very soon. Already the live images are available. So maybe in next one or 2 months we will have a Opensuse Leap 15.4 based Pantheon Desktop. Now friends, remember this Opensuse Pantheon Desktop is not officially supported by Opensuse. It is an unofficial version available from the Opensuse organization. You can download it from the Opensuse website. So this is it. Now let us start the installation. What happened? Yes, now it is started. So it is using the Calamars installer instead of the standard Opensuse installer. So this is easier for most of the guys to use this Calamars installer than the Opensuse installer. I will use the Indian keyboard layout with the rupee. We will go for the manual partitioning. So we will create a new partition table. So we can go with the master boot record. So using the MBR, we can multi-boot Windows as well as Opensuse Pantheon Desktop together. We create a partition table. Now we create a Linux swap space. can create a yes mount point. We can give this is the root partition. Okay, sorry, there's some issue. Just check out what we have done wrong. Okay, what we done is, okay, we'll have to recreate it, keep it primary only, go for the Linux swap. Yes, now it is okay. Use the root mount point with the root partition. Done. Now partitioning is done. Now we go ahead. Okay, that was just a warning. Anyway, it is not applicable to our system because we have done a MBR style partitioning, not a GPT style partitioning. Use a easy password that you can remember for the virtual machine, but in real life you have to give a good password. It should be strong, at least 8 characters, with some of the characters capital and at least 1 or 2 special characters. Remove the login automatically without asking password. That is dangerous. So the summary of the partition table is given. It's okay. We now click on the install button and wait for the system to complete the installation. Then we will stop stop there, and in the next video we will continue with the detailed review of the Pantheon Desktop on Opensuse Linux. Installer is quite fast. You can see it has almost completed the installation. Only now the removal of the live image packages will be done after the installation of bootloader is completed. The best part of this Pantheon Desktop in Opensuse Linux is that the Pacman repository, that is it comes with the preloaded extra codecs and non-free software, so it is taken care of by the developers. So you need not do any extra installation of any non-free software or extra codecs. It is already pre-installed. because of the default pacman repository provided in this distro. So now friends, this has installed on our virtual machine. In the next video we will do the detailed review of the Pantheon Desktop on Opensuse Linux. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of the video. Keep connected and surely watch the next video. Thank you very much. Do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, otherwise you will miss the newly released videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.